Racing our GT3 cars at Monza in Italy, coming up next on Slot Car Racing. Hello once again, Slot Car Race fans. Welcome back to another exciting race night where we will be racing our GT3 cars tonight at Monza in Italy. And if you would like to build this amazing track, click on the links down below and visit our Patreon account where I will show you our masterclass series on how to build this amazing track. All you need to do is visit us on Patreon, scroll down the page, and you will find Monza, plus about 400 other great tracks. Maybe not that much, but there are a lot there. And if you join us today at the end of the video, I want to tell you about an exclusive giveaway we are doing. It is a really cool thing. So before we begin the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel with all your friends and family. Let's get this thing up to 100 likes so that everyone can see our cool GT racing. And now, let's go trackside and view the first race. Five guys, Mike, and a line. Okay, lots of speed here. So it is Howard, Mark, Josh, Glen, and myself. We got Josh, number 2, just took the lead. Josh Howard, Glen. Whoa. Too bad I missed that crash. Number 2 is still in the lead. Yeah. Now we return to our scoreboard where I have 37 points. Josh and Howard both tied at 50. Kevin wasn't here. Mark got 31. Glen got 24. And both Alan and Craig were not here either. So let's see how that affects our total league point standings. There hasn't been a very significant change in our standing total except for one. I have bumped Kevin from second down to third place. So Josh is in first with 199 points, I'm second with 146, Kevin is third with 140, Howard is fourth with 124, Glen is fifth with 92, Mark is in sixth place with 72, Craig is in seventh with 40, and Alan is in eighth place with 26. And wasn't that an amazing race? And I sure hope that you are rooting for us drivers down here and that your driver is way up in the charts and coming in first. So I wanted to quickly discuss our giveaway. We are giving away this amazing Carrera tow truck. It has an operating tailgate, flashing lights, and you can hook any car up to this thing. It also has a horn, which goes beep beep, and it's really cool. And I know you guys want to get this thing, and I want to give it away to you once we hit 5,000 subscribers on our Madcap Romanian channel. So in order for you guys to find that, I am going to leave a video of it here, and to join our masterclass on Patreon, it'll be a video here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel with all your friends and family. And until next time, happy racing!